Welcome to the wild world of heavy transport, where precision, power, and nerves of steel are put to the test. From massive machinery to giant loads, every move counts. Buckle up! You're about to witness some of the most mind-blowing transports on the planet. It's go time. Two 12-module Nicholas M. Dell setups, combined with a massive girder bridge, are hauling an unbelievable load. The crew at StatNet Transport AS is tackling one of the toughest transport jobs on the planet, where every move could mean the difference between success and disaster. Only the best in the business can pull this off. Let's talk about the Zweiweg Trailer, a game-changer that allows mobile cranes and trucks to transition from road to rail seamlessly. By utilizing a specialized bogie system, vehicles can be securely mounted and transported on standard gauge tracks is 1435 millimeters, enhancing operational flexibility. It's like giving your heavy-duty vehicle a new set of tracks to run on. Now consider the stakes. A crane losing its load isn't just a mishap, it's a serious hazard. Precision at its finest. The Bilgen Yachts team has executed a flawless launch of an 80-meter super yacht, tipping the scales at 1,680 gross tons. Using 64-axle self-propelled modular transporters, SPMTs, this engineering marvel was carefully positioned onto a floating dock, an operation that demands pinpoint accuracy and cutting-edge technology. A landmark achievement in Turkish shipbuilding. Every journey has its challenges, and for this driver, it's a 16-meter-long logging truck snaking down a mountain road. Steep inclines, narrow paths. One mistake could mean disaster. The driver's steady hands and calculated maneuvers are all that stand between control and catastrophe. Respect to the pros who make hauling timber through these mountain roads look easy. Never mess with an excavator. The speed and power can go from 0 to deadly real quick. Stay safe, folks. Don't crawl under those machines. In a different series, we examine the transport of the massive Volvo EC700C excavator using a Goldhofer hydraulic 4-axle trailer, emphasizing the technical specs of the equipment involved. From the precision of the trailer's hydraulic system to the meticulous loading procedure, every detail is optimized for heavy equipment transport. The excavation machine's weight distribution and the trailer's adjustable height function to clear obstacles like low bridges, offering an excellent case study in hydraulic technology and heavy transport engineering. Yikes! You never know what could happen with heavy equipment. That case backhoe flipped. Glad everyone's okay. The streets of Navala become the stage for an epic battle between man, machine, and physics. A transport of unimaginable scale crawls forward, each axle groaning under the immense weight. Drivers navigate with laser focus, inches away from disaster. Every move is carefully calculated. One wrong turn, and the entire operation is at risk. Will they make it through? Hats off to Dugro and D-Tech for executing one of the most complex overland transportation projects ever. Transporting 263,300 freight tons, including 8,000 containers and 174 oversized pieces, over 230 kilometers in Uruguay was a monumental challenge. Developing a customized heavy lift ferry to bypass a dam showcases innovative engineering at its best. A true milestone in Uruguay's heavy haulage history. Embarking on the digital evolution of maritime logistics with blockchain. This technology is revolutionizing supply chains by reducing administrative costs, improving traceability, and enhancing security. A game changer for modern global trade. Be more careful with those container loads. We can't overlook safety in shipping. A dropped crane can turn into an environmental disaster in seconds. Stay alert. Today, we're tackling the big move of a mobile home. First up, we need to disconnect all utilities. Can't have any surprises there. Then, we'll remove those exterior add-ons and make sure everything's locked down tight. Finally, a thorough check of the chassis and tires to ensure she's road-ready. Stay tuned as we hit the road to a new beginning.
So you don't pay your side rep.
Rent has not been paid here for a while.
In cases like this, timing and resource allocation are critical. The type of tow truck, crane, and weather conditions all play a huge role in the success of the operation. This is high-risk, high-reward logistics. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Folks, if you haven't seen AL's heavy haul through Taki on the A34, you're missing out. Their team orchestrated a seamless transport of a massive load. Truly a sight to behold.
Нахуй.
A thrilling sight. A bulldozer charging down an icy slope, its blade gliding lightly over the slick surface. With no way to brake using the blade, every movement must be expertly controlled. Then comes the deep snow. Unfortunately, the blade isn't attached. A bold challenge, but one mastered with absolute finesse.
Четверо.
Just said it. Now the machine's sinking. This is not how today was supposed to go. Someone better have a solid plan, or that thing's gone for good.
Whoa!
Continuing our look at extreme bulldozer operations, watch this. A skilled operator, sharp assistance, and a challenge that defies logic, squeezing 62 tons onto a 40-ton lowboy. No extended deck, sagging tracks, extreme overload. Yet, with precision and nerve, it's happening right here. A pure display of power and control. So how are these bulldozers transported? Let's break it down from an engineering perspective. The Komatsu D475A, a 107-ton mining beast, requires precision planning for movement. A MAN TGX 41.680 hauls it with a 7-axle Newt-boom hydraulic trailer, ensuring even weight distribution and stability. This setup minimizes stress on the chassis while navigating the site's rugged terrain. Understanding load balance and hydraulic control is critical in executing such a high-stakes transport safely. Can't stop thinking about the risks. Unloading these beasts is no joke. One wrong move, and you've got a multi-ton disaster rolling downhill. Wild. If you've ever been in an emergency lift, you know there's no room for guesswork. Every move has to be deliberate, and these guys are locked in. Watching this, you can tell they've planned for every possibility. That's what makes the difference between success and disaster. The Caravel's journey from Arlanda to Turku is a testament to the commitment to preserving aviation history. The careful disassembly and transport process ensures that this iconic aircraft will be restored to its 1963 appearance, allowing visitors to experience a piece of aviation history firsthand. Who would have thought that a 25-meter, 15-ton bridge could be installed so smoothly over the Simi Stream in Gams? Let me tell you about the ultimate ice road challenge up north of Yellowknife. Pete's 1989 379 with its 600 horsepower Cummins engine powered through the toughest season. 3 broken springs, frostbitten fingers, and even a couple of skidded tires didn't stop this team. Their grit and these rigs are what keep the mines running. A new snow challenge appears and it's a mess. The truck's struggling, dragging the lumber through the snow like it's a tug of war. I mean, did anyone actually think this through? The driver's got moves no sane person would even try, and the operator's handling it like a magician. It's like they're making up the rules as they go along.
Ёбана в рот! Ёбана в рот! Тогда можно потанцевать.
А уже пускай прям.
agua.
Oh man, Vova's taking his bulldozer onto the ice. This has disaster written all over it. And there it goes, straight into the water. Folks, this is why you always respect the elements when operating heavy machinery. This icy journey is no joke. It's time for the rescue team to step in. You can feel the pressure mounting as that excavator gets stuck deeper. Let's see. Maintaining the transformer. 472E IPP2 requires regular checks on its hydraulic and mechanical systems. These systems bear the brunt of the load during transport, so ensuring their integrity is crucial for the safety of the transport team and the longevity of the equipment. Oh man, this is what you call a tight spot. Pulling that Bell 35D from the edge of the road is no easy task. It's all about precision and power, working against gravity and getting that beast back on solid ground. Just gotta hope we don't slip up. Big loads, big responsibility. I bet they've planned this route down to every turn. Still, with traffic picking up, it's gotta be a nerve-wracking drive. Another huge challenge conquered, and we're just getting started. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of heavy haulage. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next jaw-dropping move.